In this video, we are going to be looking at how to construct a congruent angle. And this is going to be different than the parallel line one. We're just going to make an angle that's congruent to another angle. So just draw an angle on your paper. It doesn't matter what size it is. It's totally up to you what you do. I will tell you that an acute angle is easier than an obtuse angle. So you're going to want to make a ray for your angle. Just draw a ray. And then you're going to want to use your straight edge and draw another ray. And again, a nice gentle acute angle is probably the easiest one to make. There we go. And that's not great because I don't have a really sharp point there, so that may not work as well as I would like it to. We're going to call this angle A. And our goal is to create angle B. Now, I need to draw another ray. So maybe I probably shouldn't have made that one quite so big because I still need to get another ray on my paper. I just was having fun drawing rays. So let's draw another ray. And I'm going to even bump it down a little bit so you can really see that it doesn't have to be on the same line. So here is another ray. This endpoint is B. And I don't have the other ray yet for my angle B because I have to construct that. So I need to place the compass on A and draw an arc. Now right now I have my compass set fairly large. It's okay, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it that way. Ooh, it moved though, that's not good. All right, there we go. Okay, so have you noticed a theme here that when we're working with angles, almost every time the first thing we do is we make an arc that hits both sides of the original angle. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to, well, let me label these points here. This one I'm going to call C, this one I'm going to call D, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same radius that I just used here. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to duplicate that arc. So I'm duplicating the arc over here. Okay, with it being the same size. All right. And now what I want to do is I want to use my compass as a measuring tool. And I want to measure how far apart point C and point D are. Okay, now right now, can you see that my compass is set too wide? So I want to use this as a measuring tool. I need this firmly on point C. And I'm going to, in my case, I have to make my compass setting smaller until I can accurately measure the straight distance from C to D. Oh, that still looks a little bit big. Let me try that again. There we go, that looks more accurate. Okay, so what I've just done is I have measured the distance from C to D, and now I'm going to twirl this around. I'm going to put my pointed end down here, and I'm going to mark off that same distance. And now all I have to do is join point B with that crosshatch I just made. And now I have constructed an angle that is congruent to the first angle, and I can use my compass or my protractor to measure it if I would like.